Hello guys, today I'm back at Scratch Tutorials, and today we're going to make a stretchy bouncy effect like this one. So let's go and create a new project. Okay, here's a project. So the first main part we're going to do about this project is by using the fisheye effects. I don't know why they sit like that. Yeah. Let's do something cool with these effects. So, click this effect, and you're going to see this happens. Whoa, look at that. And let's set it back to 0. Or for that, we can also use the clear graphic effects button. And then if I press this, it's going to clear all the graphic effects. So, yeah. Now, let's actually try to do something cool with this. So, let's go to the costumes. I just don't want this costume. So, let's delete it for now. What we want to do is we want to put a box around it. And make sure it has no fill. Set its color to like complete black so we can see it. And put this black rectangle up until its feet. So that if we put let's check what happens if, let's go to the code section, add a when green flag click block. Let's just not put that rectangle for now. So now we'll add a when green flag click block, set fisheye effect to 0, bring out a forever loop, forever repeat 10, let's set this to randomly, and repeat 10, change fisheye by -20 to 25. -25, you don't want it to completely fill the screen. Okay, that actually looks kind of funny at first, until with the magic of boxes. If we put it vertically like this, let's see what happens. Oh, it gets nudged in one area because we didn't actually center it. No, let's put it over here. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, these effects look cool. Wow. Doesn't that look cool, guys? Whoa. Anyways, what we want to do is we want to set this rectangle on to here. And we're just going to study about what this looks like. So, yeah. Anyways, that looks good. So anyways, let's just hide the sprite for now and let's do something about it. So first let's get a backdrop and show you how it looks, how it actually works. So I'm going to first look for a grid, XY grid. Let's use this grid. Yeah, it's a bitmap, but bitmaps are fine. Now let's put a rectangle at the bottom of the bitmap grid. Oh, I don't know why this keeps on happening today. Oh, okay, let's fill the bottom of this grid. Let's try filling the bottom of this grid. Yeah. Now let's use the same script that we have for our this, and let's see what happens. Oh yeah, do you see like something happening? Do you see something happening to the square at the bottom? Wait a second. You see it's getting squished down? And I'll put this grid over here, it's getting squished, it's squished, it's squished, it's squished, and squished, and squished, it's squished like that. Well, that's what we want. And we just want to set it back to clear graphic effects, and we don't need this backdrop. We don't need the backdrop anymore, so show it back. Okay. Now it's actually looking what we're supposed to be doing, because what I did was I put a box under it. Now it's thinking that it's under the box, so yeah. Now, what if we want to resize it? 200, I should say, but it's only going to let us resize to 167. I just want to resize to 200 to kind of not fit up the screen. So this is what I want you to do. First, go to Paint, name this costume blank. I'm also going to name this costume something like cat. And also want to name this cat. Okay, so we're going to make a new block. Go to the My Block section and set it. Change size. No. Set size to size. Okay, now we have this block definition. Now let's define the block. First we want to set the costume to blank. Set size to size %. And then switch the costume back to cat. Now let me show you something. If I switch the size to 200, you're not going to notice a blank costume. That looks pretty good. Now let's just hide this box. No, I don't want to select Scratch Cat. I want to select this box. And then not select it anymore. We just made a squishing effect that looks good. Yeah, doesn't that look good? Let's set that effect back to 170. Looks pretty good. Now what I want to do is I want to give it some movement. So we're going to go to motion and give it go to X0, Y0. Keep this over here. Okay. We want it to go up like it's jumping up the screen, and jump up the screen, and it's not going to look good if we use this block. So it's not going to look good if we just set it to 1 second. Okay, yeah. So go to X0, Y0, glide 1 second. We want to go glide 1 second, 0.10. Glide 1 second to the middle over here. No, 1 second. Seconds block, I will glide over here. Set it to the middle. We want to get a glide 1 second. Glide point 0.5 seconds. And finally, we're going to glide 0.05 seconds to X0, Y0. That's kind of too fast. Let's set it to 0.25. 0. Let's actually do that. Calculations. There's operators that you can do calculations with. 0.25 divided by 2 equals 0.125. Same for this. Now let's put that all into here, and it's now going to look something good. Ooh, that looks good. Now I want to add a final thing. I want to select the Scratch Cat. Use it as a measure for this. And then paste it. Because I want to make a floor. I'm trying to reset the size to something like 200 something. That was okay. Is it the same size? Check same size. Resize it a bit more. Looks kind of good. So, anyways, resize it. Resize resize this, and use your scratch pad as a ruler. You don't have to keep it that way, but that's fine. Fine if you want to. I just want to pick my favorite color, yellow, into here. Ooh, doesn't that look good? And yeah, so that's why I just wanted to show you some really cool stretchy sprites that make it look like it's jumping down and like going back up and jumping down and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye bye.